Hello, hi children, everyone. Today in this class we are going to discuss about model question papers. Okay, the first question. A device used to change the resistance of the electric circuit is rheostat. In Fleming's hand rule, that is left hand rule, the middle finger indicates that electric current. A doctor prescribes a corrective lens of power, that is minus 0.5 d to a person. The focal length of the lens and type is. So dear students, here it is obviously the power of a lens is minus, so it becomes negative. So we know that P is equal to 1 by F. So 1 divided by minus 0.5 we can written as 10 divided by 5. So it becomes minus 2 and concave lens. Option A is correct. The nature and size of the image formed when the object is kept between principal axis and apical center, that is virtually erected, enlarged. The potential difference between the terminals of the electrical heater is 60 volt, and when draws a current 4 ampere from the source, the resistance of electrical heater coil is. So we know that here Ohm's law use V is equal to I into R. So here is asking R. So R is equal to what happens, children? V by I. So 4 1 ja, 4 15 ja. So 15 ohm is the correct answer. Option A. So diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is called aperture. The inner wall of the solar cooker is painted black because it absorbs more heat. Option B is correct answer. The function of the electrical generator that converts, that is mechanical into electrical energy. Option D is the correct answer. Next, the resistance of the conductors does not depend upon. So it doesn't depend upon magnetic nature. So next, DC generator works on the principle of. So here generator means it is electromagnetic induction. So watt is the SI unit of, that is power. Option D is correct. So here observe the given table, the good conductors of electricity among these materials. So this is all about resistivity and conductivity are inversely proportional to each other. If resistance is less or resistivity is less, conductivity will be more. So option L is correct, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. Because if less resistivity is there, then good conductivity will be there. That is going to have good conductors of heat and electricity. Next, one of the properties of the biogas, that is it is heating capacity is very high, that is called calorific value. Object distance image lens minus 60 and minus 20 respectively, then magnification of the lens will be. So really you see that M is equal to V by U. So V means image distance and U means object distance. Here 20 divided by 60, 21 ja, 23 ja, 1 by 3, that is equal to 0.333. So option C is the correct answer. The process used to convert metal carbonate ores into their oxides. So converts metal carbonates into oxides means this is calcination, means in the absence of air you are going to burn the metals. The correct group of saturated hydrocarbon is CH4, C2H4, C3H4. So option A is correct. The atomic number of element 11 and atomic number Y is 17 dash kind of bond formed between the elements, that is covalent bond. The pH value of the sodium decreases. See, pH value solution decreases. Then what happens here? pH value is decreases means it is going to become what, children? Acidic nature. Then it is going to increase hydronium ions. So option is, that is number of H plus ions are going to be increased. Option C is correct answer. The functional group of present in the carbon compounds, that is C double bond OH, that is called carboxylic acids. Atomic number element 20, in the modern predictable that element belongs to period. The students, 20 means what? That is calcium. Okay, so calcium, it comes under fourth period. So next, the number of single bonds present in the structure of cyclohexane molecule is, that is, so cyclohexane C6H12. So it is going to have, that is 12 bonds. Next, in the modern predictable, as we move down the group, atomic size, down the group it increases, along the period decreases. So option is, that is A is correct answer. Next, The decreasing reactivity of the metals above the reaction is. So I have given Kanaka Megahall code. Here option, that is zinc greater than copper greater than iron. Next, the gas liberated when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules. So that is going to liberate hydrogen gas. So when that is sodium hydroxide plus HCl forms, that is reaction between sodium hydroxide with acid, it is going to base and acid. So gives rise to salt and water. This is called neutralization. So benzene formula is given by, that is C6H12. Option B is correct. The process of helps in the absorption of upward movement of the water and minerals dissolved in that from roots to the leaves in plants is called transpiration. So next, the correct pathway oxygenated blood coming from the lungs to the heart in the human body is pulmonary veins, left ventricle to the left atrium. So the hormone that regulates carbohydrates, proteins, metabolism in the human body. So this I have taught you, that is thyroxine. So the part of that mismatched pair of among the following. So adrenaline, that is adrenaline gland. Option A is wrong. Insulin, testosterone, thyroxine, correct is there, children. So option A is wrong, mismatched. The part of the human brain responsible for precision, voluntary actions and maintaining posture and balance of the body. So posture and it is completely depends upon cerebellum. Option D is correct. The pathogen gonorrhea syllables transmitted through the sexual contact, that is virus. Option C is the correct answer. The correct sequence of found the process of sexual reproduction flower is, that is first we can tell that is pollination, fertilization, embryo and seed. Option is correct. The part of the plant seed that grows and develops into root germination, that is called part of the seed that grows develops into germination, that is called radicle. So in round plant, that is RRYY crossed wrinkled yellow seeds is the seeds F1 generation, that is round and yellow. Option D is correct. And that is direct question, children, that is diagonal cross. And the experiences of individual during its life time cannot be passed on its progeny because they are acquired traits, because we cannot be changed, whereas inherited traits we can be changed. So analogous organs have, analogous means same structure different functions. So that is homologous means same structure different functions. Here analogous means different structure same function. Option C is correct. The ozone layer is formed oxygen at higher levels of the atmosphere by action of, that is ultraviolet radiations. Option B is correct. A product can no more it is used original purpose but used for its some other useful purpose, that is called no more used for original purpose but used for some other purpose, that is called reuse. So next, the watershed management, that is going to increases production and income watershed community, increases droughts and floods, decreases biodiversity. So we can tell that option is correct, increases production and income watershed community. Yes children, I hope you understood. If you understand, please share and subscribe.